Honorable President of India on 12th October 2022. That time also I came here and I have seen there are so many peoples who have extended their hands to start this memorable, I think, this National Law University. And today marks a historic milestones in the journey of legal education in Tripura with the groundbreaking of the permanent campus of National Law University, Tripura, NLU Tripura. This place actually previously belonged to this technology TIT, Tripura, TIT. So from the, as because I am in charge of the education department as well as law department also. So in that way I am lucky that both the departments can help you out to make it this university. The establishment of NLU Tripura reflects our commitment to nurturing excellence in legal education, research and policy making. Here I think we should not make only one academy law university only, but here the research, this thing should be also carried out so that the status, standard of the university also can be cropped up and people should know about this. So far this policy, this making is concerned, we are here, we are always will be helping you out. As one of the premier institutes of legal education, NLU Tripura will contribute significantly to producing skilled legal professionals, judges and policy makers. This is my request to all of you that this university should be one of the best law university across the northeastern region, even in the country. Already regarding this, our Honorable Chief Justice mentioned. The government of Tripura is fully committed to providing all necessary support for the development of NLU Tripura. So from our side, we are giving the land and all the logistics support, even financial support also in future we will provide. For that, you need not worry for that. We are with you. Infrastructure development is a key priority to ensure students. So that also I think already it has been shown us how this the hostels and the other buildings will be coming up, and the faculty members have access to world-class academic and research facilities. I think the faculty, they also should have some extraordinary their orientation, and they should approach to the world-class academicians also, so that our students can be enriched, and I think that would be done by you. The state government will continue to extend what I already have mentioned, that financial and administrative and policy-wise support to help NLU Tripura to achieve its goal. A robust legal system is essential for a thriving democracy, and institutions like NLU Tripura will play a crucial role in strengthening our legal framework. Legal education is not just about learning the law, but fostering justice, ethics and the rule of law in society. I am confident that NLU Tripura will serve as a center for legal research and development, addressing contemporary challenges in the field of law and governance. As a matter of fact, it has already started doing it. The university must focus on academic excellence, then research-driven legal education and skill development. It must also emphasize interdisciplinary learning, then integrating law with technology, governance and business studies. NLU Tripura should be a hub for national and international collaboration, ensuring that our students and faculty engage with the best legal minds globally. I express gratitude to the Honorable Chief Justice and other dignitaries for their guidance and support in making this vision a reality. I appreciate the efforts of the faculty, administrations and students in shaping the future of NLU Tripura. Today's groundbreaking ceremony is not just the beginning of the construction of building only. It is the foundation of future enriched with knowledge, justice and service to the society. Encourage your minds to join NLU Tripura and contribute to nation building through the legal profession. Reaffirm the government's commitment to make Tripura a center of excellence in education and legal research. Extend best wishes for the successful completion of the project and the future growth of NLU Tripura. Once again, I extend warm wishes to all present here, looking forward to witnessing the rise of NLU Tripura as a beacon of legal excellence. Thank you all. Jai Hind. With this, I conclude my speech.